Welcome to FSA Entertainment. I'm at Sunny Brooks Stud Farms tent at Pushkar Fair. Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine, thank
What's
you.
your name?
Sunny Lunia.
Is Brooks is not your surname then?
No, Brooks is not
Okay,
my
so where does this
surname.
Brooks come
This
from?
Brooks has come from the Brooks actually, because we own a kennel, we own a dairy.
What do you mean by Brooks?
Brooks, the wilderness.
Wilderness.
That's
Okay.
the reason why the Brooks came from. And then there's a stud farm, there's a kennel, there's a
All in
dairy.
Ajmer?
No, it's not all in Ajmer. We are from Bombay. This is our hometown, Ajmer.
Okay.
So our stud farm is in Ajmer.
So otherwise you put up in Bombay?
I'm put up in Bombay.
Where
I'm
in
born and
Bombay?
brought up in Bombay, in Worli.
In Worli?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Okay. And how many horses have you got here?
Here we've got about 9 horses.
Now people here are struggling for space.
Okay.
Like I see a lot of tents. When I enter, I feel a little claustrophobic because एक ही छोटे tent में बहुत सारे घोड़े हैं. Now you got a very lavish and very spacious tent. I mean, is it because your horses are less या क्या आने वाले हैं और?
नहीं, ऐसे ही रखा जाता है जानवर. Everyone has their own ways of keeping their animals. You're supposed to come and block your space out well in advance. If you've done that, then there's enough space you can see around.
Right.
There's enough space around which you can block out and keep. It's not on that side of the road, it's only on this side of the road. The reason why we are all struggling here is because this is the first year the fair is happening on this side. It was earlier a little ahead.
Yeah. And how did you find it?
It was actually given by the government and a few members of the association who had gone ahead and spoken and requested that, we should have the fair. It's been 2 years. Last year because of COVID,
Right.
this fair didn't happen.
Yeah.
So-
but no, my question is, how did you find the arrangement here?
Arrangement is nice, very nice.
Convinced and satisfied?
Absolutely convinced and satisfied. They've done a great job
Okay.
and there's enough place for everybody to be accommodated. I think it's absolutely fine.
Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
What is the motive behind coming here? Do you want to sell your animals or you just want to showcase what you've got?
I've actually come to showcase. If something sells, it's all right.
Okay.
I mean,
Now there are many tents here.
Yeah.
Give me one good reason why your tent stands out.
it stands out. I wouldn't know why it stands out. Maybe it's just far away from.
No, I can give you one.
everything.
Space. It's very spacious.
It is spacious.
It is very
yes.
spacious. That is something which makes your tent stand out.
Yeah.
But what about the animals? How different are your animals from the cohort?
We're
right?
trying and doing some qualitative breeding.
Yeah.
I don't think we have even one weak animal around here. In our eyes, I don't know how other people would judge our animals. But yes, according to us, our animals are beautiful and very nice, well proportioned. I don't think there is any kind of a problem in any of the animals.
Okay. So let's start with the first one. I understand it's a stallion or a
Yes,
colt?
it's a stallion.
It's a stallion. How old
Yes,
is he?
He's about 6 years old.
And what is his name?
His name is Om.
Om.
Yeah.
पंचकल्याणी कहेंगे ना? This is
पंचकल्याणी
Panchkalyan, right?
कहेंगे, हाँ जी.
ठीक है. 4 पैर सफेद, माथे
और
पे टिक्का.
टिक्का.
ठीक है. What is the height?
When you measure it the right way, he's 62 and a half
Okay.
at this time. His bones are 62 and a half.
Okay. Is it that the horse has lost weight?
Yes.
So the bones are visible or?
We've just started breaking him in about 4 months back.
Okay.
So that's the reason why he's down in condition. And I prefer keeping the animals open where my farmhouse is. That's where we have a lot of paddocks.
Okay.
The horses are mainly open there, free ranging and open all the time, lots of exercise. After that we give them morning, evening exercise. He's into riding now.
So have they got used to being here? I mean, they
Yeah,
kind of caged
they're
in
kind
here,
of
right?
kind of open only. No, we've not tied them with ropes. That agadi pichadi is not there.
अच्छा पैर में नहीं बंधे?
नहीं, किसी के भी नहीं है.
हाँ, then it's good. Yeah, I don't see any.
Yeah. So
ठीक है. नाम क्या है इसका?
इसका नाम ओम है.
Om. नाम है Om. The height is 62 when measured.
62 and a half.
When measured properly. If
I-
measured by the
anyone-
local standard, कितना होगा इसका?
63, 63 बोल देते हैं लोग.
Okay, otherwise 62.
Yeah.
And how old you said?
He's 6 years
6-year-old, still young.
Yeah, very young.
Yeah.
We've bred him twice. We've got good results out of him.
And
At
what-
our farmhouse, there are results of him.
What
Let's-
bloodline is this one?
He is he is from his mother's side. He's an Alishan grandson.
Mhm.
His mother was an Alishan daughter,
Okay.
and his father, they say, is Tufan's brother, but I wouldn't
You wouldn't confirm.
confidently say anything about that.
Okay. Do you want to sell it? Sell
Yes,
this?
I.
What is the price that you're asking?
I mean, let somebody come over. I don't want to
What's the
quote a
number that
price.
people can get in touch with you?
98208
Mhm.
06 777.
Do we have a page for Sunny Brooks on Instagram
No,
or
we
Facebook?
don't. You can just get in touch with us by either Harsh Lunia or Sunny Lunia
Mhm.
on Facebook,
I
Instagram.
absolutely love the posture. I'm sorry to cut you off.
Not at all.
Absolutely love the posture, the way it is standing. It's very
It's-
photogenic horse.
yeah.
Very photogenic horse. Om is the name.
Om.
ठीक है. प्राइस के लिए हिंदी में बता दूं, ओम नाम है, 62 हाइट है और उम्र है 6 साल और
Proven
बेचने के
stallion
लिए
है.
है. लेकिन जिस किसी को भी खरीदना है, स्क्रीन पर जो नंबर दिया गया है, गेट इन टच, इनसे संपर्क करें वो नंबर पर. ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Before we move on to the next horse,
Yes.
can you tell me 3 things that horse keeping has taught you?
It's kept me grounded, first thing.
Yeah.
It's kept me loyal
Uh-huh.
to a lot of human beings also.
Yeah.
And honesty.
Honesty. Yeah.
Yes.
Could you shed some light on being honest?
See, I'm a
Because-
jeweler by profession.
Okay.
So lying comes very naturally to me.
Is it?
But honesty,
You'll probably
my
upset
animals
the
have taught me
jewelry
all these
community,
things,
huh?
you know.
ठीक है.
The jewelry community is that's where I come from. That's my
Okay.
main business.
So, what do you say the first one was?
I said grounded,
Grounded,
loyalty,
loyalty,
and
and honesty. And of course, it goes without saying discipline.
discipline,
It's with
love. These things all come when you're
with-
within animals.
Okay. Tell me a few things that horses don't like.
Few
They
things
hate.
that horses don't like.
Mm-hmm.
They don't like sudden sounds is what I feel they don't like. They don't like being mistreated.
Sudden sounds, as in they don't like foreign sounds. The
Foreign
that they have not
sounds
heard
is
before?
yes,
Yeah?
absolutely.
Okay.
They do start getting scared at those times.
Uh-huh.
They don't like being mistreated.
Mhm.
These
And,
are two things.
and how would you know that the horse is scared?
He'll start shivering.
Does it?
Yes.
Okay.
If I give him a whack with the whip right now, he'll start trembling. You'll see it.
Okay. Okay.
Easy boy.
He heard the whip. Huh? So we'll move on to the next one. Very
Yes.
beautiful, by the way, Om.
Thank you.
ठीक है?
This is Shivangi.
Shivangi.
She is now 13 months old.
Okay. What
She's
color
a-
is she?
She's a grey. Her mother's a grey.
She's got golden hair. She's a blonde.
she's
blondie?
like a blonde.
Huh?
Not a complete blonde because she does use her brains. Sorry about that.
Brainy blonde we have here.
Yeah.
But ये जो रंग है, this color is going to change, right?
No, it's not. It's going to remain
the same?
like this. Yes.
How-
She might get a little lighter, of course, but it won't change.
I'm
now.
sorry, I missed out. What is her age, you said?
She's just 13 months
13
old.
months old.
That's
only.
it.
Okay, okay.
Come.
And what bloodline is she from?
She is from Vanraj's bloodline.
Mhm.
I have Vanraj's son Vansh with me at my farm.
Mm-hmm. What is so
And-
special about that bloodline?
Vanraj is a very famous horse.
Mhm.
He was one of the top producers in India.
Mm-hmm.
Comes from the Alibaba line.
Okay.
And yes, he was a very beautiful horse.
Mhm.
And he's got a lot of lineage all around in India.
Okay. Yeah,
So-
before I mean, sorry to cut you off, how many times do horses need to be fed in a day and how many times do they need to drink water? Because
It's-
somebody had told me that they don't have something, what was that? They need to eat continuously. Right?
It's not. It's
It's
not
true?
like this. Actually, it's more of. See, when they're open in the wilderness,
Mhm.
is that's how I'm going to put it. Is that they'll eat when they want to.
Yeah. But they
Because
eat
they've
very
got
frequently,
very frequently, small quantities, and then they're running, they're exercising, they're open.
Mhm.
Now, when you're conforming them to a stable
Mhm.
or to a stand,
Mhm.
you need to have a discipline where you're going to feed them on the right time at
Okay.
every day
Uh-huh.
for the rest of his life. I
Okay.
mean, if it's 7 o'clock, you should stick to that schedule, come what may. That's what I believe in.
Mhm.
So generally, you feed them thrice a day, and then you're also giving them fodder because they're not open in the wilderness.
Okay.
If they were open in the wilderness, then you would land up not even feeding them, it would work.
So there's one more point that housekeeping has taught you to be punctual and time management.
Absolutely.
Because you must feed them when they need their food, right?
Yes.
And they get to know what time it is without wearing the
Yes.
watch. Okay. Shivangi was her name, right?
Yes.
What price के लिए तो call कीजिए.
प्राइस के लिए
Is
कॉल
it because
कीजिए,
you do
पधारिए,
pricey? Is it because you do
आइए.
pricey that you are feeling a little?
No,
you
not
know?
like that. I mean, I don't want to be quoted where I'm quoting something, and I don't. It's just not like that.
Okay.
Somebody is
We'll
a
come on,
genuine
we'll move to
buyer.
this one
He
now.
can. He's most welcome to my place.
Is it Colt?
Yes, he's a colt.
How old is he?
He is again 13 months old.
Okay.
A young boy, Panch Kalyan boy, and he is bred by Sundar.
And what is
His
his name?
sire is Sundar. His name is Rambo.
Rambo.
Yeah,
Okay.
quite a naughty fellow.
Rambo with it's not Panch Kalyan.
It is Panch Kalyan. There is a small Jawab there. So he is a Panch Kalyan. There is on the
Is it?
left hand side. You
Above
can see
the
that
hoof?
white right above the hoof.
Even that much is considered white?
Absolutely.
Okay,
See that?
okay.
Come, I'll
Acha,
show it
in
to you.
front it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And see this side, this part. This is known as a Jawab.
Panch Kalyan.
Panch
ठीक
Kalyan.
है.
Yes.
For up for sale.
Everything
This
is
one,
up for
everything
sale. Yeah.
Very good. And these two ladies?
This is a lady and this is a young colt again. This is Mastana. Again the same sire, Vansh, Vanraj's son. And this is Lily, the sire.
They got brown hair, right?
That's because of the sunlight.
Okay. You got one blonde and two brunettes.
Yeah.
How old is she?
He is about
He or
four.
she?
He is
Oh, it's a
14
he.
months. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
I'm
a
so sorry.
he.
Okay.
He's 14 months old.
So one lady.
One lady.
One lady.
One lady.
And this one
This
is
guy's a colt.
Colt.
Yeah.
So one Colt, one filly.
Yes.
Okay. 14-month-old.
14-month-old boy.
Okay. What bloodline?
He is
he
again from the same bloodline, and his mother's side he is from the Fulmal line.
Fulmal line.
Yeah.
Mastan is the
Mastana.
Mastana. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough. How I'm not asking you the height because some people say अच्छा मारवाड़ी देखना है तो just discard the height. Are you also fussy about
I
the
am
height?
No, I'm not fussy about the
you're
height.
not.
I want the beauty to come out. I like the ears. I like the long neck. I like the long body structure. I'm not very fussy about the height.
Wonderful.
I think 62, 63, 64 is a very good height
They'll
for
go anyway,
Marwari.
60,
I mean,
62,
yeah.
63, right?
Yeah.
What about this one?
This one is Lily,
Uh-huh.
and she's a very nice, docile girl. Again, bred by the same father. And the madam is also there
Has
at my
she got a
place.
white spot under her ear? Or
That's
is it
just a hurt.
hurt?
That's just
Or
a
while
hurt.
traveling.
Yeah, traveling. No, this is a stable hurt. It's
Okay.
already gone. The hair's
Okay.
gone. It'll come back.
Okay. Okay.
And she's got one leg at the back, which is left. It's white,
White.
and that's about it. But she's a very nice, docile girl, playful,
Playful.
very loving girl.
Which I'm sure is irrelevant question. You'll say every horse is my favorite.
Yeah,
But
actually.
which one
I
do
have
you lean
no
more
fa-
towards?
All of them are
All
my
of them?
favorites. Yes,
Yeah.
I don't distinguish between them because then that is a major factor which I don't like.
Any showstopper horse that you have left at your stable and not got them?
Yeah, there are a few.
Better than this one?
Yes, that's Vansh that I'm talking about.
Okay.
He is at the farm. He's of course aged now. He's about 14 years old.
Okay.
I have another beautiful mare, one of very rare bloodlines known as Gopi at our farm. So if anyone would like to visit, those are not up for sale at all. So-
You are listed on Google Maps, right? If somebody
No,
types
we're
in
not
Sunny
even
Woods-
listed on Google Maps. No, we like to keep it very low profile. This is the first time I'm giving an interview because you've come up. Thank you very much.
Well,
But
thank you for giving time.
we
Once
just
again,
like to
by
keep
the way,
it
I
low
have to tell
profile.
you, you're very well spoken,
Thank
and
you.
it's always a pleasure to speak with somebody who can elaborate on any topic and any subject and talk about it. Okay? I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate you taking time
Thank
out.
you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Once again, would you like to share your number?
It's 98208 06
Is this on WhatsApp as well?
It's on WhatsApp. It's available to 365 days, 24/7.
24. Don't say that.
I'm
People
just
will
saying
start
that it's
pestering you.
available.
day
You
and
can call
night.
anytime
Okay.
because this is a number that I keep with me.
Okay,
it's
Sunny.
my
Thank
personal
you
number.
so much.
Thank
for your
you
time.
so much.
Thank you.